carpet, tile and upholstery cleaning service, Newcastle area, New South Wales. Established by the current owner in 2009, this is one of the leading carpet cleaning businesses in the Newcastle area. This business survived COVID with consistent work, providing it is recession-proof and generates a solid year-round income. Offering low overheads and tax benefits, this package has everything you need, including a 2019 Peugeot van plus full training. Boasting 5-star Google reviews and a strong repeat customer base, the flexible hours will suit your lifestyle. Ideal for a husband and wife team, the main services include commercial and domestic carpet, tile and upholstery cleaning. Just 2 hours from Sydney, Newcastle offers a stunning lifestyle location with sandy beaches, a working harbour, cafes, restaurants and bars.